In this episode of our real estate reality series, we're taking you on a tour of an apartment in a 4-story building in Costa del Este, Panama. We will show you a 3-bedroom unit, some amenities, touch on accessibility, and take you on a quick driving tour while discussing the neighborhood. Welcome to Casa Blanca in Costa del Este. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As we enter the apartment and head towards the living room, I want you to be aware that not every place you'll visit in Panama will have the electricity turned on, so you might have to use your phone as a flashlight, like I did today. The living room has 2 AC units and a window to the left of the balcony. The little nook by the window can be used as a dining area. As we head out on the balcony, you can see construction taking place. This is a great example of the need to research future construction projects that might obstruct your view, natural light, or your peace due to the associated noise. I like that the ground floor apartments have little covered patio spaces. The kitchen opens up to the living room and the balcony. It has a good amount of storage and cabinet space, a large counter, a dishwasher, and a gas stove. Next, we have the laundry room and maid's quarter, or whatever you'd want to use this room for. Across from the kitchen is a room which leads to the 3 bedrooms. It has an AC unit and a window. Entering the first bedroom, there's a full bathroom to the left with the window. The bedroom has a ceiling fan, 2 windows, and an AC unit and closets. It also has 2 sets of shades for the window. As soon as you enter the next bedroom, you have 3 sets of closets. This bedroom is longer than the previous one. It has a ceiling fan, an AC unit, and a balcony that faces the front of the building. It also has a full bathroom with accent tiling. The 3rd bedroom has a ceiling fan, a balcony, an AC unit, a walk-in closet with minimal storage space, and a full bathroom with 2 sinks and a window. There are 4 apartments per floor for this 4-story building. Each hallway has fire protection signs that illuminate when the lights are off in the hallway. There is a pool across the street from the building right beyond the parking lot. There's also a children's play area and a gym that I was not able to see today. It also has an outdoor shower. This is the first building I've seen here that has a wheelchair lift. I don't know if someone had it installed themselves or it was part of the design, but I had to stare at it for a while. It looked like a unicorn here in Panama. Tee! To enter the building, you have to be able to walk up these stairs if the wheelchair lift isn't working. There is a ramp to the pool and social area next to the parking lot, but the only way to access this ramp is by stepping over the parking lot boundary. It's like they didn't complete the thought. The pool has a handrail. To access the balcony, you might have a slight bump going over the tracking for the doors. The kitchen entry is wide enough for a wheelchair or a walking device. The doorway for the laundry room is a possible tight fit for a wheelchair if a fit at all, and the maid's quarter door might even be a bit more narrow. The door heading to the bedrooms is wide enough for a wheelchair, but the doors for the bedrooms themselves might be a tight fit, and the bathrooms in the bedrooms are a bit narrow for a chair, as well as accessing the main bedroom closet. Costa del Este is one of Panama City's most modern, master-planned neighborhoods, designed to feel like a city within a city. It's approximately 10 to 15 minutes without traffic from downtown and about the same to the airport. It's a favorite for professionals, families, and expats who want convenience without giving up comfort. As you drive through, you'll notice wide landscape roads, luxury high-rises, and gated communities. Costa del Este is known for its clean, organized layout, along with reliable infrastructure, plenty of parks, and a strong sense of safety. This is also one of the main business hubs of the country. Many multinational companies are based here, which means the area has restaurants, cafes, gyms, and shopping centers that cater to both locals and expats. It's modern, walkable in certain pockets, and offers a lifestyle that feels a little more polished than other parts of the city. That's why so many people who are looking for comfort, convenience, and high-rise living end up in Costa del Este. want to give a special shout out to all the channel members and to those who have donated to the channel in other ways. Your support means more than you know. Gracias! Stay tuned for more real estate videos from Costa del Este. If you enjoyed this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.